Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server in Palmon Survival. Changing servers in Palmon Survival is done through your profile settings. First, open your profile by tapping the top left corner of the screen, where your Explorer information is displayed. Next, tap the cog icon to access the settings menu, then go to the Profile section. Here, you can create a new profile. Each server allows up to 2 profiles per account. Once a new profile is created, you can select the server you want to join. Servers are color coded. Green indicates normal traffic and smooth play. Orange means crowded with potential lag. And red signifies a very busy server that made difficult to enter. Older servers typically have more updates and features, while newer servers may have fewer features but a fresh environment. Choose a server based on your preference for stability, features, or starting fresh, then confirm to start playing on your selected server. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.